Welcome back to AlbDreams Media, where we travel, explore, and discover the places, people, and stories that make America so incredible. Today, we're heading to Arizona, a state filled with breathtaking deserts, towering red rocks, historic cities, and some of the most spectacular landscapes in the United States. Our journey begins in Phoenix, Arizona's capital and largest city. Surrounded by mountains and the Sonoran Desert, Phoenix combines big city life with incredible desert scenery. From downtown attractions to hiking trails and desert sunsets, there's plenty to explore. Just next door is Scottsdale, known for its luxury resorts, golf courses, restaurants, art galleries, and beautiful desert landscapes. It's also a great place to experience the unique beauty of the Sonoran Desert. Heading south, we reach Tucson, a city surrounded by mountains and filled with southwestern and Mexican influences. Tucson is also famous for its food, desert scenery, and nearby Saguaro National Park, where enormous saguaro cacti dominate the landscape. Then there's Mesa, one of Arizona's largest cities. Mesa offers outdoor activities, cultural attractions, and easy access to the desert and surrounding mountains. Nearby, Tempe brings a younger and more energetic atmosphere. With Arizona State University, Tempe Town Lake, restaurants, and nightlife, it's one of the most active communities in the Phoenix area. Moving north, the landscape completely changes in Flagstaff. Surrounded by pine forests and mountains, Flagstaff has cooler weather and feels completely different from the desert cities in southern Arizona. It's also one of the major gateways to the Grand Canyon. Another fascinating destination is Prescott, known for its historic downtown, Old West character, forests, and beautiful surrounding lakes. But Arizona's biggest attractions go far beyond its cities. Of course, there is the Grand Canyon, one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world. Its enormous size, colorful rock layers, and incredible viewpoints make it one of the places you simply have to see in your lifetime. Then there's Sedona, famous for its massive red rock formations. The combination of red cliffs, blue skies, and desert vegetation makes Sedona one of the most visually stunning places in Arizona, and an amazing location for drone footage. In northern Arizona, Antelope Canyon offers narrow sandstone walls with incredible shapes and colors created by thousands of years of erosion. Not far away is Horseshoe Bend, where the Colorado River curves dramatically around a massive sandstone formation. And then there's Monument Valley, with its enormous sandstone buttes rising from the desert. The landscape has become one of the most recognizable images of the American Southwest. Arizona is also home to Lake Powell, where deep blue water contrasts dramatically with the surrounding red rock desert. One of the most recognizable symbols of the state is the saguaro cactus. These giant cacti can live for well over a century and are found naturally in the Sonoran Desert. Arizona is also famous for its extreme landscapes. In one part of the state, you can experience hot desert conditions, while farther north, you can find forests, mountains, and snow. The state has a fascinating Native American history and is home to numerous indigenous communities, each with its own traditions and culture. Arizona also played an important role in the history of the American West, with historic mining towns, ranches, railroads, and Old West communities still visible today. And perhaps one of the most amazing things about Arizona is how much variety exists within one state. From the massive Grand Canyon and red rocks of Sedona, to the cactus-filled Sonoran Desert and the forests around Flagstaff. Whether you're looking for adventure, history, incredible scenery, or simply a great road trip, Arizona has something for you. From Phoenix and Scottsdale to Tucson, Sedona, Flagstaff, and Prescott, and from the Grand Canyon to Monument Valley, Arizona is a state that never stops surprising you. This is Arizona, where the desert meets the mountains and every road leads to another incredible view. Thanks for joining AlbDreams Media. Travel, explore, discover. And until the next adventure, keep exploring America with us.